Alright, so Cursor finished its work a couple minutes ago. Sorry, I did notice, but I was kind of just sitting back. I'm looking more into the preprint thing. I think after this, I'm gonna work on that, so... Alright, okay, accept all this. We're going pure vibe coding with this, just like it was all Duncan projects. Gamabunta projects, we go vibe coding. Except for the system prompt. Alright. Okay, it generated a lot. I'm trying to find the readme. I thought it generated a readme. Yeah, no. Here we go. Alright. So this is the setup Duncan guide. This overall guide will help me set up Duncan's personality. I'll switch screens since we're done with, oh, I edited this one. I didn't switch over. Okay. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, sorry. Big face. Heh. Okay. And this is also too big. The fuck. Okay. That's better. So this is the setup guide for Duncan. Gonna go to olama.com. I don't have Olama downloaded. Yeah. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna download Olama for Windows. It's pretty easy. Plenty of videos on that. At least I think it's pretty easy. Hope I didn't jinx myself. I'll also create an Olama account while I'm here, I guess. The training, I'm gonna assume, is gonna take a while. So, once that happens, I'm probably gonna get back to the preprint stuff. Because I really want to post a devlog or something and start getting the word out on LinkedIn about what I'm doing. I want to be more active on there in general. So, alright, back to the setup process. Oh, there was already an Olama setup on here. Oops. Alright, if my computer starts to get a little wonky, it's because I'm starting to download something. Or at least trying to, so we'll see how that goes. I don't know why it's not opening. Should soon. I have an extra copy of the Olama set up. Okay. So I'm just going through the typical Llama installation process. Follow the instructions to your platform, verify the installation. Okay, where are the instructions on how to do the Olama part? Ow, my knees. Oh. Okay, okay. Okay. I don't see where the MD files are. Oh, here's this fine-tuning thing. Alright, this notebook is zero converts. Uses Hugging Face. I meant to tell it to use a reasoning model. Let me ask ChatGPT what reasoning model should I use. Okay. Response. Alright, I don't think it changes it a lot. Except for the prompting. Alright. Surprised it didn't give me an error trying to create this repo since there already was one. Git repository has too many active changes in this. Okay. Strange. Okay. Let me see. So maybe this memory transfer thing won't work unless I make Duncan record his reasoning logic, the other one, which would mean I'd have to reset those memories potentially. And then I'd have to have a bunch of conversations with that Duncan. So I don't know if I have enough data to use this yet. Okay, it's taken a while to create this repo. I don't know why. Strange. Okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to test to see if like the basic system works. Then I'll focus on updating Duncan's memory system potentially and updating everything else. So we'll go back to, yeah, the Duncan. Is GitHub still geeking? Whoa, close, okay. What the fuck? There's like thousands of library artifacts in here, great. What the fuck? Okay. I don't know what these are. Artifact things. I'm just gonna, yeah. That folder. Still a bunch of fucking changes. What the fuck is up with this, dude? Okay, I can't. Alright, let me just set up Duncan, this version. Alright. So it says to open up a PowerShell terminal. Okay, let me pull the model that I need. Okay, so plan to use a reasoning model. No, I do think I can use the memories from Duncan. I just need to like include his thought process and like everything. I don't know. Or come up with like examples of his thought process. I wonder how much training that I need. Okay, I need to go find my flash drive that I'm going to use for this. Give me a second. Oh, this one has Linux on it. That would have been scary. Thank God I wrote that down on this. Okay, I'm back. Let me see what's on this flash drive. Probably nothing good. Oh, I can delete all this stuff. This is... Okay. So what I had Cursor do was update the setup instructions for a reasoning model. Um, all right. What the fuck is all this stuff, dude? It's not even that folder in here. Okay. What did you do? I don't think I need to commit all this. Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna search for help. Okay. All right. Let's get back to this model thing. So my terminal is to run this command to confirm I have the llama on my computer. I do. Alright, save the model to my D drive. Okay. Okay. Let me see if the repo is all cleaned up. Okay, looks much better. 54 commits versus like 40,000 that it had before. That's cool. Okay. Reasoning model setup is advanced. That sounds intriguing to me. Fine-tuning a reasoning model does sound pretty fun, but I shouldn't get distracted right now. Um, is this I just want to make sure the instructions are correct because sometimes it doesn't finish its work when it's updating stuff. Okay. I'm a little nervous because last time I tried to pull a model onto my computer, it was not fun. I ran into memory problems. Huh. Pull model manifest file does not exist. Okay. Okay. Getting cold in here. It's always cold or hot in here. So right now, Cursor is basically checking to make sure that the model it told me to pull from Olama actually exists. Okay. We'll accept these changes. I'm just going to run a couple of commands in a row. Alright, and it's downloading the model. Wish I could show the terminal. It looks pretty cool right now. So it's just a progress bar, but I think it's cool. I'm excited to finally start working with LLMs, since that's the major thing now. I mean, neural networks are cool and they're always obviously like core to LLMs, but I think that this will make me much more employable and you know, able to work with more people and companies and projects. So okay, while this loads, well, I kind of want to get like see if I can get the whole thing set up. Do want to fine tune this model though. Adjust Duncan's personality by modifying parameters in the mod file. Well, download more stuff. How big is this USB? 16 gigabytes? It should be fine. Error, no model file or saved answers found. Full model, okay. Yeah, I just want like a basic reasoning model right now. That'll be the 3.0 version. And then I guess I'll try to generate memories through that. And then I'll try to use those memories to fine tune the newer version. I think that'll be the easiest way to go. Alright. Memory region. God damn it. And ChatGPT is expensive. I've already spent a bunch on Lili this month. Hope this project doesn't take too long. This one I'm more excited about than Lili. Lili was just like extra. This is like... there's definitely better uses for LLMs, but it's like practice. Low stakes. Other than the money I'm spending on this goddamn IDE. On Claude, not the IDE itself, I guess. Yeah, the issue is you're running a llama create command from your user directory with a mod file that you created looking at your project directory. You need to locate your project directory to specify the full path. Okay. I see the issue. A llama command isn't available in the path for this session. Let me fix that. You have two options. Option one, run your actual command with a full path. Oh, okay. I downloaded it to the wrong place, I think. Okay, open a fresh file session. Option 2. Okay. Model requires more system memory, 5 gigabytes than is available, 4.4, what the fuck? Let me see, is there a way around this? Oh, it's still doing some other stuff right now. I already applied your quick fix, sir. It didn't finish its work before I tried to do that other thing, so. Okay. Whoa, why are you downloading a bigger model, dude? Does that make any sense? Or do I not know enough about LLMs right now? Am I tripping? The system needs more memory than available. Choose a smaller quantifies model that will fit your memory. Okay. Let me look up what a quantized model means. That'd be important to know. I'm pretty sure it's how like the weights are saved. Ah, okay. It just reduces the like size of the parameters of the model. That's what I thought. Okay. Wow. You still need more memory. Let's try an even smaller model. Yeah, man. This laptop blows. No. Wait, why is it pulling models to my local... Okay, stop. Alright. I want the model to be saved to my flash drives. It's not even downloading them to the right fucking folder. This thing's retarded. Sorry. I can't pull in a file from a different... Okay. Okay. Memory within okay. Yeah, it's not, it wasn't even downloading the models. Like, I thought I described that whole thing to it, but maybe I was wrong. I said download this to a flash drive, and we're going to work with the flash drive, and I talked about a flash drive for sure, at least with this thing. All right. Tunes are only playing for me. I'll turn that on here. Oops. Yeah, I was gonna clip this, but this would be very boring. I mean, if I get there, I guess I'll clip it and be like, oh wow, it only took me 3 hours, but still. Okay. So, alright. Ah, there's a whole folder for memory data that I didn't notice. Okay. Did it delete that? Okay, it moved it. All right. What are you doing? The database has been moved, man. Come on. Okay. Locate your database. I already did it. Copy the database, move it to memory data, verify the structure. Okay. Memory region does not need to be changed. I want to give this agent access to a text editor. Maybe I can include that later. Maybe I'll try and include it in the 4.0 version. Okay. Alright, I told it to continue what it was doing. I told it I moved the data file over and that I want it to pick the best agent. Yeah. I want to make sure that this model storage file always applied. So I'm not dealing with this memory problem as much as I can avoid it. Ow. My organs. It's still trying to download it locally. Stop that shit, dude. What the fuck are you doing? Perfect, I was downloading. Okay. What the fuck? I just told it. I just told it to generate a rule. No, cancel this one too. What the fuck? I'm honestly my girlfriend pointed this out too. These models have been hallucinating like crazy recently. Maybe it's just when you get close to them you realize how much they actually are dumb. But yeah. Okay. Looks like it's downloading that to my fucking computer again. But maybe I'm wrong. And I'm just tired and I'm angry. I have a bone to pick with AI, I guess. Not really, I actually love AI, but I like playing up that I get angry at these things. I don't know. For the lulz. Alright, we'll see if it works this time. I doubt it. Something's gonna happen. You know, it's my luck with vibe coding. Oh no. It said it was successful. Alright. Yeah, come on, man. I just want this to fucking work. Hey, like, just pick a model. Why is my computer so bad? And the USB folder is still goddamn empty. Doesn't look like it's downloading this to my USB. So what it's trying to do now is pick a model that is specifically optimized for constrained devices and roleplay. Okay. I do want to clip this before it gets too long. Just wanted to get to a checkpoint where I was like, alright, it's good. Once the model is running, I will, yeah. Let's see, it's... And it's gonna be like, it's broken, error. Oh wow. See? So the model's running slow, clearly. It's gonna be a lot harder than I thought. They're not harder. I just feel like I'm gonna run into headaches once I actually try testing this thing in Unity. If it all worked in Unity, I'd shit my pants. Alright, move that to the background. I don't know what's going on. Oh, geez. Okay, if I run into errors, that's the model crashing my computer. I'm gonna try and clip this before it gets ugly. So I'll stop working on this, and I'll let that run until it crashes my computer. Yeah, I don't see the USB. I don't see the model there. Hey, it worked. It just took a while and almost crashed my computer, but it worked. Okay. It's literally like, it's all downloaded to USB. It's like, I saw you fucking download it to my goddamn laptop. That's not my USB's path. That's not my... It literally says local, man. I don't know.